Hi, grade one, Qatari syllabus, top stars book. Today I will end from your book, top stars grade one by module 5. But before I will go to our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our unit today. Today, our module or our unit is about on the farm. On the farm, what can you see in the farm? Can see cows, can see horses, hens, ducks, goats. All these are seen in the farm. Yes. Let's go to another item here. This is a song of old McDonald's farm. Old McDonald's has a farm. Look to cows. Look to cows. Old McDonald has a farm. Look one horse. Look one horse. Old MacDonald has a farm. Look six ducks. Look six ducks. Old MacDonald has a farm. Look at two. Look two goats. Look two goats. Old MacDonald had a farm. Look four hens. Look four hens. The song is on the is on Google. You can search on the Google and you can listen if you want to listen it. Okay. Let's go to another item here in this unit. This is an activity of about counting. Here we say two goats. We say one horse. So here I would like to say something. Grade one must be known. If anything, or any animals or persons or more than one, we're adding s to the noun like this. Here one horse. So one means this noun is singular. Don't adding s. Don't add s with one. So more than one, it will be adding s. Let's go to another item here. This is the rule that I would like to note. Let's go to another one here. Here is the parents. We have B, grandfather. We can say grandfather or grandpa. We say grandmother or grandma. Open the window. Let's read this dialogue together. Look, cows, hens, and ducks. There is a horse, too. Grandpa, help. There is a bee in my room. It's okay, Aisha. Let's open the window. So here I would like to say that I explained before that let's must be followed by what? By the infinitive form of the verb. This called what? This called suggestion. Okay, must know this is suggestion. Okay, this is suggestion. Okay, so so the let's must be followed by the infinitive form. Go away, little bee. Let's continue the rest of the unit. Goodbye, bee. Thanks, grandpa. Here we say circle 4 or 8. If there is a cat, is there is a cat here? No, it's not a cat. There is a bee. Yes, there is a bee. So I select this one. Let's open the window. Here is let's open the window. Let's open the window. No, it's let's open the window. Let's close, not no open. Come here, little bee. No, it's not come here. You can make you can till the bee go out. Okay. There are 3 ducks. There are 1 bee. Here is the same as we told you before that more than one adding s. One don't adding s like this. 1 bee. If we say 2, if we say here, I replaced 1 here with 2. When we say 2, I would say 2 bees. Okay, this is the difference between singular and plural. Okay, let's continue the rest of the unit. Here we have the rest of numbers. Last class we learned from 1 till number 10. Today we will continue the numbers from 11 till 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I would like to say something. Grade 1, we must keep the numbers in numbers and in letters like this. We say like what? Like when we say 1, written in number like this. 1 written like this. Okay. 2 written like this. I can write it as it is. So we must know it in numbers and in letters. Okay, both must know in both ways. Okay, let's continue the rest of the our unit today. Here we say 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is my dream farm. So here this girl is imagine the farm and say this is my dream farm. There are 5 horses on my dream farm. So here this girl Imagine about the farm that you want to be in future. There are 5 horses on my dream farm. There are 15 hens on the farm. There are 10 goats in the farm. There are 14 ducks. There is a cat too. Here is the animals. Here is what? Here is the cat. Here is what? Here is hen. Horse. Here is goat or horse. Horse. This is the horse. This is the horse. This is number 5. Duck. Number 4 here, duck, and here is number what in number 3 is goat. Here we note here in this picture. I would like to note here in picture. Here's cat here. Here's the cat. Duck is number what? Here is duck. Here is number 1 here. It will be cat. Number 2 here. It will be hen. Which one is hen? Hen is number 2, hen, which we have hen, number 2. Number 3, it will be what here? Number 3, it will be goats. Number 4, it will be ducks. Number 5, it will be horse. This one, 4, 5 is horse. Okay, let's go to another one here. Listen and match. 15 here, it will be here. 15 what here? 15 what? We say here 15 hens. So I select 15 by what? By hens. Where is hens here? There isn't hens here. There is hens here. 15 hens. Here we have 15 hens. We say here 15 hens. Here is number 11. 11 what here? 11 what? I think it's not related to the text. Okay, this is not related to the text. This is related on listening, not as a text. Okay, I will leave this one. I go to another one here. There are 14. There are 14 ducks. So here we use are. We use there are. I would like to have a rule here. There are used for what? Used for plural. When we talk about plural form, we use it with plural form like this. There are 14 ducks. When we talk about things that singular, we say there is. Okay, there is for singular form. There is used for singular. Okay, for singular form. Okay, this is the difference between there is and there are. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have sheep and sheep, fish. So sheep and fish must be written in the same form, not adding s in singular and plural is the same form. Like sheep, fish, don't adding s to the fish. Okay, how many sheep are there? There are 3 sheep. So here we have a rule that sheep is the noun that won't take s. Here is this is the place for sign related to science. Here is wool, honey, cheese. Wool, honey, cheese. Let's know more how these things we use it in science. Here we have cow. We take from cow what? We take milk from cow. Hen. We take what from hen? Egg. We take wool from what? From sheep. We take honey from bee. We take here. I think it's cow. A butter from they can take milk. Here is the butter. Here take from what? Here is the wool from the. I don't know here what they take. We have here correct, not correct. So now we know. So I would like to know now that we take eggs from hen. We take milk from cow. We take wool from sheep. We take honey from bee. Okay, here is why I don't have things that take this cheese from it or this fat. Okay, let's go to another. So here is the butter. Butter comes from milk, so we take it from cow also. Okay, if we want to say that it's take from take a butter from milk and the milk from the cow. This is the cow. We get milk from cow. Let's read this text together. What animal is it? So here, this is about the animal. Hello, grandpa. Hello, grandma. Hello, Saud. Hello, Afan. Let's play a game. We get wool from it. What is it? So something that we take wool from it, we get wool from it. It will be what? It will be sheep. How many sheep are there? So here say sheep. So here we say count the sheep are in the farm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It will be 12, 12, 13, 14, 15. It will be here 15 sheep. It will be here 15. I can't say 12, but here we say 15. I can't see this one. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here we have the characters grandpa, grandma, Saud, and Afef. How many ducks are there? So here, in this part, we depend on counting things. Depend on what? On counting things, and we know how to write the numbers in letters and in numbers. Okay, here is 14. 14 written like that, like what? Grade 1 written like this. So here we say 14, and here is written in number like this and written in letters like this. Okay, this is 14. When we say 15, okay, 15, say 15. Here is 15 and written like this. 15 written like this. When we say 12 or 11, we say 11. Okay, I write 11. Here is 11. Written like that, the 11 written like that in letters and in numbers written like this. Okay, let's continue the rest of the them. There are 14 ducks. We get milk and cheese from it. What is it? It's cow. So the cow, we take milk and cheese from it. So here we have cheese. Cheese here we take from what? From milk from the cow. So both takes from the cow. This is wrong. So we take wool. So I would like to have a mistake here. Here is hen. We get it from egg. The wool from this and this. This we take wool from this and this. And honey from this. We take milk and cheese from the cow. Okay. This is the correct answer in this question. Okay, let's go to another one here. Now are you thirsty? So here the girls and boys, Afaf and Saud, saying grandma gives them what? Gives them water to because they are thirsty. So here we have a value from this unit, which is farm animals are useful. We benefit from this animal by taking from them milk, by taking from them wool, by taking from them eggs. All this the benefits from animals. Okay. Here we say here is there are, and this is the words that we can write it here, can practice on it. There are 2 sheep, there are 3 ducks. Okay, this is revised again and counting. I think we took it before. Here we say there is here is revising on number. 15 cows. Which one? 15 cows. This one, and by this one, by this one. Here is 11 bees. Which 11 bees? I think it's the, 1 goat. Which one is 1 goat here? This is 1 goat. Okay. 15 bees. 11 bees is under this one. This one. Here is 15 bees. Here is 11 bees. This one by this one. 12 horses. 12 horses. This one by this one. Okay. Today we end from this unit. Let's go to the booklet to make a brief about we learned here in this unit. Okay, in this booklet, I give you the words and make a spot or focus on things that we must take care in this unit to be ready for the exam. Here is we have farm, cows, horses, hens, ducks, goats, bee, grandfather. We say the grandparents or grandfather and grandmother has 2 words related to each other. We can write it by 2 ways. We can write grandfather and grandpa. We can write grandmother and grandma. Both are correct. If we write it like this, it is correct in the exam. If we write it like this, it's correct in the exam. Grandmother, grandma. Open the window, dream farm, how many, this is the keywords question that we use it to ask about numbers, as we know. And I have videos about every keyword question that expressing what we can return or can return to the videos and revise what I told you during these videos. Okay, here we have how many to ask about numbers. Let's go to another one here. Here we say 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, sheep. Here is sheep, here is fish, wool, honey, cheese, cat, and animals. In this unit, we talk about there is and there are, and we use there is for singular, and use there are for what? For plural, by adding s to the noun. And here we use the suggestion by putting the verb in the infinitive form. Let's open, let's play, let's go, and so on. Let's continue the exercise. Let's continue our lesson. Let's continue our list. Here is we say how many, to ask about what? To ask about numbers. How many sheep are there? There are 3 sheep. We here this is the cow. We get milk from cows. Okay. Let's do this exercise together. 11. Which one is 11 here? Which one is 11? Can you select with me? Can you make your mind with me? Here is 11. So this one. 12. Which one is 12? This one. 13. Which one is 13 here? You are clever. 14, which was, yes, 15, this, you are clever and great. I have great pupils in my, our pupils are great and good. Let's do this exercise together. Make your mind with me and answer with me, okay? Here is cow. Which one is cow? I think we know this in this unit. We know the shape of the cow. Horse. This is horse. Which one is horse? This one. Hen. This is what. This one. Dog. This one. Goat. This one. Okay. I think you all go to the farm and see this these animals in the farm. Okay. We see these animals in the farm in Egypt. I don't know how the farms like in your country. Okay. Let's go to another one. Here is cow. Here is what? Here is I give you anyone because I'm don't prepare listening. I say dog. This one. I say 14. This one. I say sheep. This one. I say 11. This one. I say grandma. This one. Okay. So now we know every words here. Okay. So in grade 1, grade 2 depends on listening. So you must take care when you listen with the teacher what we say. Okay. Because in the grades from 1 till grade 3, the English from grade 1 to grade 3 depend on listening the vocab. Okay. Listening and know how to pronounce the word. Okay, so we must take care when you answer. Here is we say their space is or are 15 goats. It will be here. There are. Why are here? Because are here is plural. How many cows are there? So here is what we say are, because here cows have an we have an S here. Here is 11 horses. So it will be here. The answer it will be they are. There is or are 1B. 1B is singular. So I select which one I corrected. This is the reason, okay? By this question, we're in the from our video. I hope to benefit and enjoy from our video today. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Goodbye.